In case of any failure, upgrading from Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 PC to Windows 10, you have another option in your hand, and it is very straightforward. You can install a fresh copy of Windows 10. In this case, you have a great option to activate your Windows 10 PC. You can use your existing Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 genuine product key to activate Windows 10. That means here also you can get Windows 10 for free. If you decided to perform a clean install of Windows 10, there are 3 steps to follow. Number 1, download a system image of Windows 10. Number 2, prepare an installation media. An USB drive containing 8 GB storage is the best solution. Number 3, back up your existing personal data from the system drive and boot your PC from the installation, and then start Windows 10 installation. I will guide you a step-by-step process in the following few lectures. Now go ahead and open your favorite web browser. Search for download Windows 10 ISO. Well, what is this ISO file? In short, this is an archive image file of the operating system. Select the first one from the search result. Make sure you have selected Microsoft official web page for downloading Windows 10 image. Under Need to create a USB, DVD or ISO section, go to Download Tool Now button and click on it. A media creation tool will be downloaded. This tool will help you to download ISO image and prepare the installation media. Run the application from the download folder. Accept license terms and conditions. Now you have two options: upgrading this PC now or create installation media for another PC. Select the second option, create installation media for another PC. Go next. From this window, uncheck this recommended option. Select your language first. Then select the edition of Windows 10. At last, select your system architecture, 64-bit or 32-bit or the both option. If you select both options, it will double the download size. And in a short explanation, if you have more than 4 GB of RAM, that is random access memory, and your system supports 64-bit operating system, you can simply go for 64-bit option. Otherwise, select 32-bit. Now click Next button. From this window, you will select which media you are going to use. Select USB flash drive, and it is the best and much faster way to install Windows 10. If you select ISO file, you need to save the file in hard disk first and then can use it to burn DVD later. Or you can use this file for creating virtual machine. Before going to the next step, make sure you have an USB drive plugged into your computer. Now go next. You'll see the removable drive list. Select the drive and click Next. Keep in mind that all available data in the USB drive will be erased. So back up your data from the USB drive at first before going next. Click Next button. You'll see the current progress of the downloading Windows 10. It will take a time to complete downloading. It depends on your internet bandwidth. You can see a successful message when it is completed.